Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So as you can see in the title, today we are testing out brand new makeup from e.l.f. They just launched a new Power Grip Primer, a new mascara, some new sponges, some new lipsticks, and then I also have their luminous version of their already loved putty bronzer. So I'm really excited. I've been holding these for the past week and a half, just waiting for everything to ship to me, and it's all finally here. We're gonna test it together. I'm gonna give you my first impressions, review / thoughts, and yeah, hopefully they are good. I love e.l.f. It's definitely one of my favorite drugstore brands because they do not disappoint with the quality of their products. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That supports the channel. Leave me a comment if you are excited for the new launches from e.l.f. as well. And you already know, grab your cafecito and let's go ahead and jump right into today's review. Before we go any further, I do want to thank today's sponsor, which is Dossier. Thank you for continuing to support my channel. If you guys are not familiar with Dossier, they do offer affordable perfumes. So they pretty much cut out the middleman to give you affordable perfumes that smell exactly like the luxury perfumes that you already love. As you can see, I have my new display right here, which is why I wanted to sit here and kind of show it some love. But I have all my Dossier perfumes here because I just genuinely love the brand. I love what they stand behind, and I love that they offer luxury scented perfumes at a fraction of the price. I just received 2 new scents and I wanted to share them with you guys. I have Citrus Green Apple here. This one is inspired by Dolce & Gabbana's Light Blue. This is actually my second bottle. Oh my goodness, I love this one so much. If you guys love the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, then you're definitely gonna like this one. I feel like it's a unisex scent. It is for women, but I feel like men can totally rock this one too. The other new one that I got is Fruity Brown Sugar. This one is inspired by YSL Mon Paris. Super luxe. It smells so good. It has a little bit of a musky scent to it. The top notes are bergamot, raspberry, and pear. And you smell the patchouli a little bit in there. So if you enjoy a more mature scent, something for a night out, then you're definitely gonna love Fruity Brown Sugar. Don't forget to use my discount code at checkout to save even more money. Now every time that you're checking out, you can actually click on the catch out. You can earn store credit to redeem it later on your purchases and save even more money. So definitely a win-win for everybody, really. Honestly, the display back there is everything. I just set it up yesterday. My daughter helped me, but let's jump right into testing out these new e.l.f. products, you guys, because I am beyond excited. I have been waiting all day. I had to pause my filming because I had to go cook. I am a mother, and now I'm ready to film. So for my primer, we're going to start off with the skin since we don't have eyeshadows or anything like that. e.l.f. just gave us a new gripping primer. You guys are already familiar with the gripping primer. Let me pull it out. By the way, let me know what you guys think of the setup. It's a little bit easier for me to sit here because my vanity is not so far away and I can just reach back and grab what I need. But anyways, so they released the 4% niacinamide primer. This one that they have already is just I would do that. This is their original primer and this is their new niacinamide primer. They both retail for $10. The only difference is that this one contains hyaluronic acid, so it's going to give you a little bit more of that hydration to the skin, and then niacinamide. This is supposed to give you a brightening effect the more that you use it. I love niacinamide in my skincare routine because it also helps with texture. So again, same concept. The only difference is that this you get niacinamide and this you get hyaluronic acid. And this is great for oily, normal, dry, and combination skin type. So let's go in and apply it. As you can see, this one has a little bit of a pink hue to it, and the other one has that blue hue to it that we're all familiar with. So I'm going to tap it into the skin first. And I just started breaking out. Do you guys see my skin? It's bumpy. I don't know what I used, and it completely broke me out. So this is also supposed to give you a little bit of a dewy finish onto the skin, I don't see too much of a glow. Maybe I didn't apply enough, but my skin is definitely starting to feel a little bit tacky. Since I don't have a new foundation, I am going to test out these sponges with you guys and then just use the foundation. So these are the total sponge set for $14. It comes with 3. Now on the website it claims that you can use it both wet and dry. I've never used my sponges dry, but yeah, that's just not me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these wet. These are the sponges now wet. I do notice that it actually does detail the product or the sponge. So the Total Face Sponge delivers an all-over streak-free foundation application. The Camo Concealer Sponge allows for targeted concealer application around the eyes and over blemishes. And the Contour Pyramid Sponge is ideal for baking, contouring, and setting underneath the eye. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. foundation just for the sake of using all e.l.f. products today. And I'm gonna go in with the all over face sponge and start tapping it in. So there is, oh my gosh, this foundation is a little yellow on me. Love the sponge. I wish it was a little more airy, if that makes sense. Like it's a little, do you guys hear that? There's not enough bounce to it, but I mean, it did blend out the foundation, right? There's no streaking, so I guess that's good. Now for the bronzer, I am going to try their new, what's this called? The Luminous Putty Bronzer. I already love their matte bronzers. They're seriously the best. They have a cream to powder formula. The only difference is that, again, these give you a more luminous finish with a little bit of shimmer. I only picked up one shade because I am oily and I didn't know if I was going to absolutely love this product. This one is in Seaside Shimmer. I believe that's what it is called. So we are going to use the Pyramid Sponge to try that out, and then we can go in with the concealer. So let's dig in to the putty. And I'm going to grab enough to apply on the forehead. Oh my gosh, I really like this sponge. This is so cute. Alright, so we're just tapping it. Wow. This bronzer is actually really nice. And it's blending really nice onto the skin as well. I love this sponge. It's perfect because look, it literally just hugs the curve of my brow. I need to stop saying literally for everything. But wow, this sponge is really nice. Let's grab a little bit more. And let's take it right here. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I still have the chile in my throat. I was making some salsa. And if you guys have ever made red salsa, you know how you have to toast the chile de árbol. Girl, that thing was spicy. I have all the windows downstairs open because we were all like coughing our lungs out because it was so spicy. It was so good though. I made some huaraches. Oof. If you've ever had huaraches, you know. If you know, you know. But yeah. Wow, this does have a beautiful luminous finish. This is actually really nice for contouring the nose as well. I'm going to take a little bit of concealer. And then we're going to use the Camo sponge to blend that out. So far, I really like the bronzer and I really like the sponges. If you already love their sponges, then this trio is definitely a no-brainer. And the colors are just so cute. They're very neutral, very trendy. Pretty much the face is done. I love these sponges. Let's use this one to bake. Honestly, yes. This sponge is perfect to get underneath the eyes. Because you can pinch it, and the way that it's shaped, it allows you to just get into the places that you need to. I am here for these sponges. Alright, you guys, so the only thing left we have is the new lipsticks, which I ordered 2, 4, 6 of the new shades, and of course all of them are leaning nude. So let me go finish my makeup off camera. I'll be right back and we're gonna lip swatch these, okay? So stay tuned. Just kidding, I almost forgot we have a mascara to test. So e.l.f. Released the Lash and Roll Mascara, which is this pretty gal right here. Now this one is retailing for $6. They have 3 shades: black, pitch black, and then deep brown. I think mine is just black. Not even sure, and it doesn't even say. I'm pretty sure I just got the shade black. Now this one is, let's see, so it's curved double-sided brush. Shorter bristles hold formula and curls lashes. Longer bristles separates and lifts lashes. So this is what it looks like right here, and I'm sure when you guys saw this first launch, immediately you thought of the Benefit Roller Lash, which is this one right here. So just for fun, we're going to compare the lashes side by side. Keep in mind, I don't have any okay, I have lashes. They're just very like short and not that... I'm not a good model, let's say, for mascara. So on my right side, I'm going to do the Benefit Roller Lash. And the wand is pretty identical, you guys. Pretty much the same thing. Alright, so let's go in with the Roller Lash. So there is one eye with the Benefit Roller Lash. I mean, my lashes are there. Let's go in with the e.l.f. on this side. So there is the left side, that is e.l.f. The right side is Benefit Roller Lash. What do you guys think? Honestly, I don't see a difference. Both of my lashes they actually look really, really good. They have a nice little curl towards the end. It lengthened, it curled, so it did exactly what it said. I mean, the price, huge difference. This is what, like 30 some dollars. This is a $6 mascara. So if you are a mascara fiend, definitely try out the new Roll-In Lash. I think you're really gonna like it. So yeah, wow, I am actually really shocked right now. I'm actually going to leave my lashes like this just for the fun of the video. I typically wear lashes, but we're testing out new mascara, so whatever, I'm gonna deal with it. I'm sure you guys are fine with me being like this. So anyways, let's move on to the lipstick. So oh my gosh, you guys, e.l.f. released let's see, 10 new O-Face satin lipsticks for $9 each. Now I found these at my local Ulta. I hunted them down. They were brand new. She's like, girl, we don't even have them out on the floor. You're gonna be the first one to buy them. I'm like, that's okay, I'll take them with me. So this is what they look like. Super duper cute packaging. It has that beautiful satin finish, and then it has the e.l.f. name on the side, and then the name of the formula. Oh my gosh, not the formula, of the lipstick, sorry. I got 6 of the 10 shades, and we're gonna go in and swatch them. I'm not gonna go in any specific order, so yeah. Let's start off with the shade Hustle. Now, obviously, you guys know that I love wearing a lip liner and I pair it with pretty much everything, but for the sake of the video, I'm not going to do that. So here is Hustle. It's a very peachy, warm, beautiful color. Oh my goodness, I love this shade. It doesn't say on the website like the undertones, but it's pretty true to color from camera to in person. The next shade is No Doubt, and this is what it looks like. I love the packaging, you guys. The formula is so comfortable. I love this. If you don't love matte lipsticks, and this is going to be the perfect formula for you. Oh, let me open it. So again, this is called No Doubt. It's a mid-tone nude brown. Super gorgeous. I love this one too. Here we have Drive. Here is Drive. It's also a brown. but it's like a 90s brown. That's the best way I can describe it. Really, really pretty. Up next is Dirty Talk. This one looks a little bit more pink. Oh yeah, it's like a mauve pink. There you have it. That is Dirty Talk. Super pretty pink. I feel like a lot of people are gonna love this color. I myself actually really like this. Here is the shade Vocal. Definitely not a color that I would use. It's pretty, but I don't know, it's just not really me. It's like a sienna, orange, peach, I don't know. I feel like it clashes with my skin tone. What do you guys think? Last but not least, we have Standing Ovation, which is this pretty girl right here. There she is. This one as well. It's definitely a little bit more pink, more like a rose pink. Really pretty. Not my colors. I just don't think these, I don't know, I don't vibe with these, but it is really pretty, and I know there's colors for everybody, so if you like this, kudos. But yeah, it's just not my shade. I am back. I have my lipstick done. So I went in with the e.l.f. lip liners in case you guys are wanting to order the lipsticks and some lip liners. These are the two shades that I recommend, light brown and dark brown, from the Love Triangle Lip Filler Liner collection. I absolutely love these, and this lip combo obviously is perfection. I used, which one did I use? I used the lightest shade. Bad, no doubt. No, I used Hustle, which is that, like, almost, it has like a yellow undertone on the lips. So that is my review, you guys. What do we think? Honestly, I loved everything that e.l.f. just released. Definitely going to keep using my e.l.f. gripping primer with 4% niacinamide. I personally don't see a huge difference. Like, my skin still looks the same. It doesn't look any more dewy. But I did set my entire face because I am oily. The one thing that really shocked me is the mascara. I didn't expect to like this, honestly. And the Lash and Roll mascara is just like so good. So again, if you're wanting a dupe for this, definitely try this out because it is a dupe. I am here to tell you, like, as a person that has no lashes, this is definitely a dupe. If you're wanting to get new sponges, this little trio is definitely a good price point, and they all have like a different purpose, which is great. So foundation, concealer, contouring, and to baking. I love the pyramid shaped sponge. This one has to be my favorite. The Luminous Putty Bronzer, honestly, to me, again, because I did set my skin with powder, I don't see a difference, and I didn't put any other bronzer on top. This is the only one that I'm wearing. I just applied a little bit of blush, but I don't know. I don't think it's any different for me, but if you don't set your skin, then you will see the difference between these and the matte ones. These will just give you a more luminous finish. Duh. And of course, the brand new satin, satin lipsticks. Love these, you guys. There are a few shades in here that I personally don't think I will use, but the formula nonetheless is amazing. Great job, e.l.f. You outdid yourself again with these new launches. Good job. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's little review and test wear / first impression on all these new e.l.f. products. Oh my goodness, I am so happy. So thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up on your way out. And with that said, be safe out there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.